Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is a brand new product on the market. This is the Snugmax Vicsol 60 watt solar panel, and we're going to mate it up with the Snugmax power station today when we come back. Alright everybody, welcome back. So today I have this brand new product. This is a rather cost efficient, larger folding solar panel. Definitely more budget minded than some of the other ones. And it is to mate up with, and I'll show you this in a sec here. You guys might remember this from a few videos ago, the Snugmax power station. And we're going to test it out with this today. But first I want to unbox it and show you what's inside. This is what you get when you order it. Now, a word of caution, if you're watching this video today in 2020, this is not available yet. It is in my Amazon store. It will say currently unavailable. It is brand new. It will be there in a day or two or a week. Just keep checking back. It's definitely something that I think you guys would be interested in because it's not super expensive and it is looking to seem pretty high quality. So let's pop it open and see what's inside. Get that open there. And you'll find it packed in here in plastic. And there you go. I can tell right off the bat one of the things I like is the fact that it's got buckles here instead of Velcro. But let me get the box out of the way and we'll tear into it. Now one of the cool things about this is it's got dual output. You can charge your cell phone on this, and you can't do that with most 12 volt panels. You can charge your cell phone on this, but you can also charge the power station or many other power stations as well. First thing I want to do is open up the back and show you what it comes with in here. So this is your back here. So here you're going to have your USB output, okay? And over here you're going to have your DC output. I'll bring that up to the camera so you can see it. Okay? And here's your cable. That's going to go from your DC output to whatever adapter you need. We're going to show you the adapters in a second here. Now, if you have a solar panel, a solar charge bank, power bank, that can't fit these, I guess you're in trouble. That's a whole lot of adapters. This will pretty much fit almost any modern power bank that's out there. So if you're looking to get started with one, definitely a good time to pick up something like this. These run about $150 from what I'm seeing from my paperwork. And I have to say, for 60 watts and a folding panel, this well made, that's a pretty darn good deal. Let me close this up a little bit. Flop it on its back here, and you just pop these open. Now, this is going to be hard to get in the camera, but I will pan it through, or back the camera out a little bit, and let you see. Let me back the camera up a little bit, let you see how big this really is. Actually, I'll pick the camera up. So you can see you have three very nice thin film foldable panels there. Definitely going to fit in nicely with my my backup power situation. Again, it has the dual output, so you can charge USB devices as well as 12 volt devices. They have said it's a high conversion efficiency. From their paperwork, this converts up to 23.5% of solar. Now, most other panels hover around 14 to 15%, so that's pretty darn good. It does have the two outputs, which we mentioned. It is portable and foldable. It weighs about 60% less than conventional solar panels when you think about the glass and the metal around the frame and all that. So if you need a little bit more power, and you know, one of those little tiny folding 20 watt panels isn't going to cut it for you, this is definitely the way to go. Would I stick it in a bug out bag? No. I mean, this is about 4 pounds. It's pretty heavy. But if you're going out camping, if you're going to a bug out location, if you want to keep it around your place for emergencies or power outages, definitely a cool item. The dimensions on it are 17.7 by 12.6 by 3, and that is when folded. You will get this. You will get the bag for your accessories, and you will get your accessories as well inside. It's equipped with a waterproof, sandproof material that can endure pretty much all weather conditions. Again, I tell people not to necessarily leave these out full time out in the sun or out here. No matter how good you do fabric, the sun will eat it up eventually. This is more of an emergency or camping or bug out location type, you know, quick use. Maybe a day or two outside, you know, a week maybe. I wouldn't leave any of these outside because, you know, they'll eventually degrade. Now, another neat thing about this, let me show you. Back here is your little leaners, I guess you could say. When you put this panel out, you will fold those out, and it will fold the panel at an angle, and you can adjust it for wherever your sun is, so you can move that in or out. So what we're going to do today, I tried desperately to run down my power bank over there, and I was running the studio lights on it plus a fan, and it's still at 98%. So we're going to charge it, and I'm going to take it outside, show you how I'd set it up, and we're going to try and top off the power bank there from Snugmax, and we'll give it a shot and see how well it does. Now, another reason I chose today to do this, and I'm really excited, it's a little bit overcast today, and a lot of folks think that with solar you need to have bright, blazing sun all the time. You don't. Something like this you can even hang in a window in an apartment, you know, that it's facing the sun, and you'll probably get a charge off it fairly well. So, just a little fact, you know, when you're thinking about going with solar, if you live in an area that's kind of overcast, it will still work, and you'll still get some power coming off that panel. You may not get full efficiency, but you'll do pretty well. So, let's set it up outside and try it out. All right, so I got it out here on my driveway, and this is probably how I'd use it in an emergency. I would just set it out in front of my house. Now, one thing I did notice, probably my only real complaint about this, is the cord is not super long, so you will have to find a place to put your charging bank, your power bank, somewhere out of the sun. You know, you don't want to keep it in the heat, but it's not bad either. It's just not one of those ridiculous 50 feet long cables. So, let's set up the panel. First thing I'm going to do is open it up, which I already did. Now, this is where these come into play, okay? I want to show you these on camera. You will fold these out like this as you're putting it out, and you can lean the panel back as you want. They're like little kickstands, and you have 3 of them. So, let me get this out here. There we go. You'll have 3 kickstands, and I will put them out a little bit neater than that when I get finished here. And you'll be able to keep it at any angle you want. Right now I don't have it at a very steep angle. I'm going to probably lower it a little bit more, so I get more sun, because the sun is kind of coming in from this way, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we are seriously overcast here, although the sun is trying to burn through the fog. It's almost like fog. I can't tell if it's smoke from the California wildfires, but I'll give you a look at the front of it. This is what it looks like. And this is the back. We'll kick that out a little bit further. There we go. Here's how I have it connected. It runs in through here. And it plugs in through down in there, into that thing there. And we're going to run it back to here, to the power station. Now I'm going to zoom in really close on the power station because you really can't see it in the sunlight. And I'm going to show you. It was getting about 20 watts in the sun, but the sun seems to be coming through. So let me set up that shot for you, and I'll show you what it's getting in. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the battery moving up and down there, but it is charging. I'm pulling in 20 watts. 21, 20, yeah, around 21, 20 watts. So it is charging it up. I'm going to try to move it to a little bit of a darker place so you can actually see it. Maybe if I shade it a little. Like right in front of the... You can see it going there. You can see, yeah, I can see the wattage right there through the viewfinder. So we're doing pretty good. I got 22 now, 22, yeah. So as the sun's coming up, we're going to let this charge up a little bit, and I'll put a timer, a casual timer on it. I'm not going to, you know, start the timer or stopwatch right now, and I'll let you know how long it takes before it's completely full or back to 99 or 100%. All right, I just moved the power bank underneath the panel so you could actually see it charging. You can see the battery going up. Now, I did have to move the panel so we're not getting over 20 watts on it. And again, it's an overcast day, so don't expect miracles. But definitely impressive. All right, just wanted to show you here. A little bit more sun coming out. We're at 24 watts. And again, this is really, really overcast today, so that's impressive for this panel. That's a really decent amount of power coming into this in this kind of overcast day. There you go. Got 20, 25, 26. Not bad. Alright, so about 15, 20 minutes. This is back up to 99%. I don't know if you can see it from there. Not too bad. I mean, it wasn't really run down. I wasn't really running it down with high drain devices. I was using a fan and these 2 studio lights in here. One of the quick things, if you want to wipe this off, I just have a wet rag here. If it gets dirty, you can simply just wipe it off. And the areas where it was kind of lying on the ground when I opened it, see? So that's no problem. Cleans up really nice. And as far as folding up the legs, the stands, what you're going to do is you're going to take that there. You're going to push this ribbon down. and simply close it. And that's it. Really, really simple to do. I'm going to fold it back up. One of the things I like about it is the fact that it is a whole lot lighter than other 60-watt panels that I've tried. I tried a few others and they were extremely heavy. And there you go. You're all set. So with this and this, if you're going camping, if you have a power outage or emergency, you're pretty well set. Now, like I said, the panels are going to be $150 around there. I'm going to be telling you guys, I'll put a note in the description down below if this is available. As of right now, it's brand new, so it will say currently unavailable, but it will be available within the next few days. For what you're getting here, you're getting a really good deal. And even in our overcast, rainy, kind of dreary sky out there, it was still pulling in 25 watts. When I brought it, it was up to 30. Definitely an impressive little unit. I will be testing this out more. You'll probably see it used in my channel more. And I like the fact that it's so much lighter than its competitors. You know, I mean, this is, again, you know, it's not something you carry in a bug-out bag, but it's definitely, you know, liftable and carryable with one hand. So definitely a cool little item. Check them out. They will be available rather soon. It is a brand new product, and I'm really happy to show you guys it because I think it's a good budget-friendly solar panel that will work well for your smaller solar power banks. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. As I said, I will put a link down below. Won't be available yet. Will be available soon. Don't forget to check out our Amazon store. I try to put everything that I review in our Amazon store. If there's nothing in there you like, just click the link and shop as you normally would. And don't forget to check out our Thrive Life link down below. If you're interested in getting started, some freeze-dried food, that's the place to go. And for some long-term storage food as well, check out preparewithiridium.com. That is my Food for Patriot site. And you can get some really simple, easy, set and forget type storage solutions for food there as well. Anyway, folks, I thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay prepared.